My name is Santo Dettori. I am a real estate manager in the construction department at Hobbs, Brook Management, which is an owner and developer of commercial suburban real estate based in Waltham, Massachusetts. Through the work that we were doing at Hobbs Brook, we found that in an open office environment and through offices, we were hearing a lot of noise transfer from office to office and in the open office cubicle areas. If someone was having a conversation down the hall, it was clearly audible to someone on the other side of the office. Our walls between offices were passing a lot of sound, and so even if you had your door closed and you thought you would be having a private conversation, it wasn't always the case. Getting the QT Pro system installed in our office was very seamless. We reached out to Cambridge Sound Management, and within a week we were put in touch with an integrator who came to our office, did a survey, and installed the system itself in just one day. There was no break to our work and there was no disturbance to any of our employees. So right away, when the sound masking system was installed, I was surveying employees to see, one, if they had noticed it, and two, if it helped. Overarching responses was that it helped immensely. People felt more private in their offices, they felt as though they weren't hearing other people's conversations, and that overall their productivity increased due to those things, where they weren't being distracted all day, and they felt as though when they were doing work, they could really concentrate. For companies that are experiencing noise issues in their office, I would highly recommend Cambridge Sound Management as a sound masking solution.